Welcome. If you want to save all your Telegram bot conversations on your PC with the latest update, this guide will walk you through every step. Whether you need a backup or just want to keep a record, exporting your bot chat history is now easier than ever. Start by opening the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're using the desktop version, as this feature isn't available on mobile devices. Once you're logged in, find the bot whose chat history you want to export. Click on the bot's name at the top of the chat window. This will open the Contact Info panel. In the Contact Info, look for the 3 dots in the upper right corner. Click on these dots to reveal a menu. From the list of options, select Export Chat History. This brings up the Export Settings window. Here, you'll see several options for what you want to include in your export. You can check boxes for messages, photos, videos, voice messages, video messages, stickers, GIFs, and files. If you want a complete backup, make sure to check all the options. You can also set a file size limit for exported media, or leave it at the maximum to ensure everything is included. Choose your preferred export format. HTML is recommended for easy viewing, but JSON is also available if you need raw data. You can also set the destination folder where the exported files will be saved. Once you've selected your preferences, click Export. Depending on the size of your chat history, the process may take a few moments. Telegram will create a folder in your chosen location containing your chat history and all selected media. The exported HTML file can be opened in any web browser, letting you scroll through your conversation, just like in the app. That's it. You now have a complete backup of your Telegram bot chat history, safely stored on your PC. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it so others can keep their conversations safe.